In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present on Mural, making your virtual presentations more engaging and visually appealing. Whether you're presenting to a small team or a large audience, following these steps will ensure your message is clear and impactful. Before jumping into presentation mode, it's crucial to start by structuring your Mural's content into an organized outline. By doing this, you'll create a seamless flow that guides your audience through your narrative. To begin, locate the outline icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your Mural workspace. It's shaped like a bulleted list, making it easy to spot. Adding content to your outline involves choosing key sections or objects that you plan to highlight. These could be headers, large frames, or clusters of sticky notes that align with your presentation goals. Once you've identified an item to present, simply right-click and select Add to Outline. It's important to give each outline step a descriptive name, like Welcome and Agenda, Phase 1 Results, or Next Steps. These names serve as the headings for your slides and provide a clear guide for your audience. Continue this process for all critical areas you wish to cover. Remember, the order in which you add these items to your outline will determine the sequence of your slides during the presentation. If needed, you can rearrange the steps within the outline panel by dragging and dropping them to better suit your presentation flow. Once your outline is well organized and finalized, you're ready to start presenting. Begin by clicking the outline icon again, ensuring it's open if it's not already. At the top of the sidebar, you'll notice an icon often resembling a play button or a screen, the Present option. Click this to enter presentation mode. Transitioning into this mode will switch your Mural into a clean, full-screen view. All toolbars and potential visual distractions will be removed, ensuring your content takes center stage. The first step in your outline will automatically be displayed, marking the beginning of your presentation journey. While in presentation mode, a handy toolbar will subtly emerge at the bottom center of your screen when you hover your mouse there. This toolbar is your control center. Navigate through your slides using the left and right arrows or by tapping the arrow keys on your keyboard. To emphasize certain elements, you can utilize the laser pointer tool, transforming your cursor into a brightly colored trail. This is particularly effective for drawing attention where you want it. If you need to manage your time efficiently, the timer icon is there to set and display a countdown, allowing you to keep track of the duration for activities or the overall presentation. There's also flexibility with the outline panel itself. It can be displayed or hidden on the side for quick navigation, letting you jump between different parts of your presentation effortlessly. With these tools and tips, you're well equipped to make your Mural presentations not only informative, but also captivating. Happy presenting!